Oh, wow. Holy shit. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Hey everyone, Spicer here. Welcome back to the channel. I just wanted everyone to be aware of the XMD Scholarship that Mike and I are putting on for all of you. This is a lot of trying times, financially, emotionally, being sequestered to yourself probably. So we wanted to make sure that you had the best opportunity you could have to attend this course. So all we're asking for is for you to send us an email letting us know that you're going to take this course seriously, that you're going to complete it, that you're not going to have any excuses, and also a 1.5 hour speed sculpt of your favorite superhero or favorite supervillain. Send all of that to spicer.mcleroy@XMD Academy. The email address will be down below, so just make sure you look for it. But yeah, if you can send that and then just post it online with hashtag XMD Scholarship. Okay, anywhere you can, everywhere that you can, and that way we can follow you. We can just look up the hashtag and we can just make sure that you're entered. So what do you get with this? You get my course, Character Creation for Collectibles, 6 weeks one-on-one instruction, over 110 videos. You get a free premium XMD source as well. I mean, there's just things go on and on and on and on. So definitely worth your time, especially for only an hour and a half and an email. I think it's definitely going to be worth your time if you're serious about your career. All right, and of course, I'm never going to ask you to do something I wouldn't do myself. So here's a speed sculpt, probably around here somewhere, of me sculpting the Batman who laughs. Hope you enjoy the video. I'll see you whenever we get back. Also, what I wanted to talk about was this amazing email that I got in from Diego. I have his ArtStation and Instagram down below.
Hello, sir. I hope this finds you well, and excuse me for my delay about my answer with feedback. I was extra busy with some projects, but I found the perfect gap to study your product and finally free to write you my personal feedback. Awesome and quite clear lecture phase. You make it very clear and direct to the point about your explanation of the leg construction. Since I started my bachelor degree in fine arts, I was finding myself with some problems in understanding anatomy, but in the meantime, just kept pushing myself to the limit to understand it. I found the solution, and I found your explanation quite rich with the right information that an artist needs. So for me, it was very cool and interesting to pay all of my attention and focus to the anatomy lecture of both parts, because I got both the triceps, biceps, and legs, so I'll run this feedback for both products. My second point is a quite clean and professional audio both tutorials have. Very impressed by that, because you can't find that high quality of sound anywhere. Quality of the video is quite good enough to see even small words in the software. The video quality is fluid, and believe me, the course, the AAA quality of tutorials. The look of the sculptures are good, really good to be more specific. They look clear and highly detailed to understand every part of the anatomy you touch in both products. He does go on to critique that all the files are separate, but I just explained that I do that in case anybody can only view it on their phone or wants to view it on their phone, they can do it there.
Thank you again, Diego. You really made my day. All of you that have written 5-star reviews, I can't tell you how much that all means to me. So if you're interested in these tutorials, then definitely check out my ArtStation. Link is down below. What I wanted to show you is today I got in the shirt from my artwork, Father's Love, and I haven't opened it yet, but I wanted to open it in front of y'all. So let's take a look. Oh, wow. Holy shit. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. That is fucking cool. Oh my gosh. That is so cool. I cannot express how pleased I am with this. Wow. I can't wait to wear this shirt. I can't wait to wear it. I can't wait to wear it. Oh my gosh. Hey, if you want this shirt, go to shotgunscream.com. I got a merch store down there. This is only available for another 20 days, and then it's off of the market. So definitely pick it up. You're directly supporting the channel to keep these live tutorial videos, the recordings I do every Saturday. I don't really make any money off of it. I try to make it as low as possible because to me, y'all wearing the shirt is more important than me getting $50 a shirt or something like that. So, but yeah, I just want you to have fun wearing the shirt. I hope you do. Again, thank you to Diego. Thank you to everyone in the dojo. Thank you to Mike for allowing me to critique his work in my last video. Definitely check that out. If you're interested in one-on-one instruction, then go to xmdacademy.com. XMD Academy does sponsor every coupon we do on this show. In fact, we have a new one. It's Spicy Dojo. You can get 40% off my entire library on ArtStation. It's like 5-star reviews on everything I put out. I've been doing this for like 6-7 years, and I'm just putting it out for all of you. This is, a long time coming, and everybody's been enjoying it a lot. I hope you do too. And as always, keep kicking ass, keep taking names, and don't forget to save.